Good medical morning. This is Watson, the Prince of Popping. Today we're going to showcase bizarre dental conditions. But first, can you identify what this is? We'll have the answer coming up. Also, if you're prone to getting this condition, we'll have a link to removal tools in the description below. Our first clip comes to us from @GreatestMedical on Instagram. This individual has a dental abscess being treated by a medical professional. Ouch. Next up is a clip of a 39-year-old woman who had her tonsils removed. The scabs in the back of her throat will slough off in the coming weeks. Now, let's look at some of the worst dental plaque that I've ever seen. This clip comes to us from About Dentistry. It showcases dental restoration. Fascinating. Speaking of dental restoration, check out our teeth whitening pens. They make a great gift or stocking stuffer and are perfect for travel. So what was the answer to the question about tonsils? The answer: tonsil stones or tonsilloliths, which are calcified bits of debris and dead bacteria lodged in the crypts of the tonsils. I'll put a link to my favorite tonsil stone removal tools below. Thanks for watching. Oh, hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications so you can see us next time. Looking for a great way to cut weight and look great? Well, it's time to check out Phinergy. Available exclusively from Amazon, Phinergy is America's top weight loss supplement. This elite fat-burning formula turns your body into a calorie-burning furnace, helping you target unwanted belly fat, love handles, and cellulite. Act now and start burning fat immediately. Coupled with diet and exercise, Phinergy is the fastest, best way to meet your weight loss goals.